Hi, my name's Craig Weir. As a certified financial planner and fee-based advisor for almost 30 years, I've had the privilege of learning from the experiences of clients who've done well and also from those who, didn't have their financial life turn out quite the way they'd hoped. If you've followed the financial advice that's been offered for the last 40 years and dumped most of your savings into your 401k and your IRAs, I have some disturbing news for you today. My guess is that no one has ever mentioned what we're going to discuss today. With this short message, I want to alert you to the single biggest challenge that lies before you in providing for your future. My hope is that you'll immediately take action to begin to solve this silent problem that's lurking in the future of so many Americans. In fact, of all the topics discussed with my clients, this has the most significant financial and psychological cost of them all. For many people watching this message, the very retirement savings accounts that you plan on living from into retirement are the problem. You see, the fact that you've saved well isn't the problem. The problem is that you may have done almost all of your saving for your retirement in your 401ks and IRA type of accounts. And now these accounts are very large. In fact, they're too large. They're obese. And they're going to cause problems for you the rest of your life and even for your children's lives. I know you've been told that your best course of action has always been to save and to save into these type of accounts. You receive a tax deduction, you let it grow tax deferred until you need it later, and then you pay the taxes. This has served as the perfect retirement trap. It's ensnaring the retiring woman and man within the deadly grip of taxes for the rest of their life. In fact, even after their death. The short-term feel-good of saving on your yearly tax returns really winds up biting us in unthinkable ways just at the time of life when we want to begin enjoying the fruits of our lifelong labor. We can reason all we want from several vantage points about saving taxes now and enjoying the benefit of building tax-deferred earnings, but the reality for many who retire is that the notion of paying taxes on every spending decision for the rest of your life becomes quite burdensome. So much so that they constantly make spending decisions that result in them not doing the things that they've always hoped to do. In addition, many that have saved well and live within their means into retirement wind up being forced to take much more out of those tax-deferred accounts. And they have to pay taxes on it, more than they'll ever spend in a year. When we actually do the math and complete a thorough analysis for our clients, the reality of rising income tax rates almost always creates an atmosphere of urgency to find ways to solve a growing problem. With looming government debt and pressure on social programs, there's really a lot of discussion about the need for government to raise revenue through higher income tax rates. So we're currently enjoying income tax rates that are the lowest in 50 years. I want you to ask yourself this question. Do you believe income tax rates are going up or down in the future? Well, if you believe they're going up, then the logical course of action would be to find strategies that give you options and save you taxes. In many cases, very simple strategies can be employed to save hundreds of thousands of dollars of taxes over your lifetime, and also to minimize the income taxes that are left for your kids to pay. When it's time to pay the piper, let's not pay at the top of the scale. Click on the link below to receive my free report, Pay Less Taxes, Live Worry-Free. I'm going to share 3 specific strategies with you that anyone can use immediately to begin reducing their risk of taxation. You'll learn how to use very simple, totally legitimate IRS-approved maneuvers right now, this year, that could save you hundreds of thousands of dollars and put you in a position of spending money later without the weight of income tax decisions. Click on the link below and get started on your journey to living worry-free.